Restaurant Tech episode number 1. In this episode, we're going to talk about my UniFi Protect setup for my dad's restaurant. So for those of you that don't know, my dad owns a Lebanese restaurant in Chicago, and guess who is responsible for all the tech that's in it? Yours truly. So I've been migrating him off of an old security system, camera security system, onto this really brand new, shiny, fantastic UniFi Protect system. Now the cameras are great, the resolution is fantastic, the features, the capabilities, everything's been working fantastic. With the exception of one thing, is when we added the UniFi ViewPort, and for those of you that are not familiar with the UniFi ViewPort, it's essentially an HDMI over Ethernet device that you deploy, let's say in a management office, so that you have the ability to monitor the live feed on a screen. So I've deployed this in the restaurant manager's office so that they can see essentially what's going on. The problem with this is that it creates a lag. So after a few days of it running, there's a lag or delay that starts to happen on one or several cameras. We're going to switch to live vlogging now. I'm going to show you what it looks like and show you kind of how I resolve it, at least for now, and then we'll come back and tell you what I've done so far. So this is the live feed from the manager's office where the viewport is connected, and as you can see, the lag on all of the cameras, this delay drives everyone crazy. Now if I show you the old camera system, this is, you know, a really old camera system. The cameras are horrible, the DVRs, I mean, it's ancient, right? But you can see it's a smooth live feed when compared to the very expensive and very new system that we've deployed here. Now let me show you where the viewport is and how I typically fix this problem. Where I have the viewport is up here, as you can see, and we've got a new HDMI cable. And the way I do this is I will simply unplug the Ethernet. This is powered with PoE. And when it comes back up, you can see the picture is really smooth. All of the feeds run really nicely and there's no problem. So this will run for a day or two, and then bada bing, bada boom, you know, we go back to that really annoying lag. So as you can see, the only way that I can get the feed to work smoothly is if I reboot the viewport, or sometimes I can reboot the controller as well, and that helps. It kind of resets everything and it works. I've had a ticket open with Ubiquiti since August of 2021 to try to get a resolution, and we've done all sorts of troubleshooting. We've changed the HDMI cable, we've changed the Ethernet cables, we've troubleshooted the switches. They've sent me several versions of the controller. Some of them were beta, some of them were unpublished. They keep telling me that they've identified the problem. Sometimes it's the frame rate, sometimes it's the codec, all sorts of things, and yet as of the recording of this video, which is January of 2022, I still don't have a resolution for this. And like I said, everything else works really well, and this is a very expensive setup and deployment, as I'm sure those of you that are familiar with Ubiquiti know. But this lag, this delay, is driving everyone crazy, and I'm not able to get a straight answer or a resolution from Ubiquiti. If anyone out there has seen this and has been able to resolve it somehow, leave a comment below. I'd love to see how you fixed it, and maybe I can do the same thing. If not, what I'm going to do is, as soon as I get a fix from Ubiquiti, I'll do an update to this video and share with you kind of what the resolution was, so that if you're experiencing the same thing, you can also fix it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so that you're alerted the next time I upload a video. I'll be doing a ton more on restaurant tech. I can't begin to tell you how much I've packed this restaurant with really cool technology, actually. A lot of Ubiquiti stuff. I've used pretty much everything in the catalog, from the cameras to the Wi-Fi access points to the switches. I mean, there's really a lot of really cool tech here. So we're going to dedicate an entire playlist on restaurant tech. I love you all. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next one.